Hi, good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Now we're just waiting for the bridge to get launched, so that I can jump in and help out where we need to, whether it's access, housekeeping, rename it. They need help getting across the slide with one thing or another, we can do that too. So it's all hands on deck whenever that time comes.
We're in preparation to send the launch truss itself across.
The launch nose is going to come across and it's going to end up being suspended just above this platform here on this side, which is the receiving tower.
That'll essentially catch the launch nose and support it, and it'll anchor everything back down. And then over the next 10 days, week and a half, we'll end up progressively pulling over the remainder of that truss.
As soon as that touches down on the west side, then the bridge can be pulled across. And the real turning point for us is getting the bridge onto the west abutment and supported on both sides.
Everybody has a specific task for every step of the way, and everybody understands exactly what they're doing.
I got another deck tail ready to drop and see it.
And right now everybody is at their respective locations and making sure that we have everything we need to do those specific tasks that we've assigned everybody.
As you can see, it's quite a bit of steel that we have up here that's been erected over the past 2 weeks.
If you're loading 3 things up at the same time, the one that's more rigid is going to take on more load.
It's a long time coming here, and I'm happy to see that we're almost there. It's going to happen here any day. Within the next couple of days, we'll start launching it across.
Get this on camera. So for the last few weeks especially, most of the launch truss has been installed. They've been assembling the launch truss on the far end of the bridge and then progressively pushing it out as they add new sections. And then for the last few weeks, it's mainly just been setting in your rollers and your winch system and ensuring all the connections are fastened and snugged up and torqued. So plan tomorrow is hopefully launch the truss across the slide here. So in here, it takes you through all the steps of the launch, hydraulic components required for the launch. Has all that been inspected and in working order?
Here at Granite, we take quality control pretty seriously. We have very little space to build this job on, and the importance of getting every last bolt tightened. It was a major feat.
This is an extremely tricky site, so it has melting permafrost causing a slow-moving landslide underneath the bridge. The ground conditions are just deteriorating between where the 2 abutments are.
We set up 13 monitoring points in the slide on critical locations and also in slide locations to monitor the movement of the slide to make sure abutment locations and stuff for sure we're not moving.
It's gone through a number of different engineers. There are safety factors built in.
And if they see something unusual, they have the authority to say stop, and when somebody hears the word stop, stop. And then we discuss the problem.
The calculations and the aspects of this job have been I think they've been a real milestone. It will take the entire team of KWH and all their steel erectors coordinating with the QA and the QC during this whole launch to make sure that it's all done professionally and we get it over to the other side.
The highest stress on the launch truss is going to be just before it touches down on the receiving tower right behind me there.
The biggest technical challenge of launching this bridge is that it's 475 feet long, 1.6 million pounds, cantilevered out over the canyon. That is a tremendous engineering feat, and KWH has done a great job. Everything has been looked at by 2 or 3 sets of eyes and double, triple checked, and we're just about ready to make it happen here. This has been a long time coming. We're really looking forward to it, and tomorrow's a big day.
What's this one called, Ethan?
It's called touching your toes.
Come on, Ethan.
Working in the park is one thing on its own. Seeing this bridge come together and this whole launch truss getting put together on the inside has just been absolutely amazing.
Any moment like this, there's a level of excitement and anxiety leading up to it. We're professionals, this is our business, this is what we do. You can't let excitement and anxiety get the best of you, and you know, we have a plan and it's going to work, and everybody's here to execute that plan. It's exciting and a nervous moment in the job for everybody. We've been monitoring the weather for months.
They will be watching the wind speed, they'll be watching weather patterns.
Generally speaking, our active wind speed for construction is 30 miles an hour.
It's 85 miles an hour is the trigger point here for we could have a problem.
Launch has started. We're progressing our way on out. Things are moving.
This is what we've been working for 2+ years now. It's fun that it's finally all coming together.
I think when this bridge lands on the bearing pads on the abutment, I think it's going to be a huge sigh of relief for everybody. It's going to be a major milestone for this project. From then on, it's smooth sailing.
Once the bridge is launched across, then we'll finish up, we'll put in the deck plate this year, then next year we'll coat the deck plate because that's highly weather dependent. And once that's coated, we'll start wrapping up the project and cleaning up our laydown areas.
Made it across 3 years, right?
Yeah.
Look at that smile. Congratulations.
I'm just in awe. When I showed up here in May, they had half of the main truss built, and now it's like we have a full bridge.
The opportunity to be able to come up here and work on a bridge like this, or work on a project like this, and in the atmosphere that it's in and the backdrop that we have, you know, every day going to work, it's been pretty priceless. It's an opportunity of a lifetime to be part of it.
This has been a tremendous team effort. All parties have, involved with it since day one. It's been a crunch for time. There's a lot to get done in very, very short seasons up here, so every move counts, and everybody pitched in to make sure that it was as efficient as it possibly could be. The whole goal of the project is to do as little environmental damage as you can possibly do.
And this project here just proves that you can build large-scale projects in very remote areas. If there's more landslides or access problems along the way, this is one solution that can get access back to the highways.